Good morning, everyone. We're live. Let's go ahead and open up the things we're supposed to open up. So, Bitcoin, we see dropping, possible rejection around 49 level, 50K level. This small pullback means nothing as it's been in a bear trend. Mag 7. Let's look at this on the lower time frames. Kind of choppy in the morning. Choppy, doesn't know what it wants to do. MNQ, little bullish to start the morning. Overnight session was bullish. MES, also bullish. Let's take a look at Bookmap. I don't even think I'm sharing screen. I knew it. All right. So here we go. We're starting Bookmap up. What I said still stands. MES and MNQ both looking bullish. I believe we have high impact news this morning. Let's go ahead and start my day. Let's go ahead and put Forex Factory. Oh, it's not NFP. I guess I titled it wrong. Oh, NFP is next week, Wednesday. My bad, everyone, but we'll change that title later. February 6th, we got news at 5. So in about 10 minutes, we'll get some pump. I mean, news is just a catalyst. Technicals usually show the way. This could be going on, continuing on. Look for a handoff VWAP or a bounce. Hopefully something, of this nature. And if we put a VWAP on, we'll see price react like this and then go. That'll be a handoff. And that's going to be the same for MNQ essentially. Same type of setup. We already have a breakout of range on it. MNQ. Full body break. We'll put that there. Handoff. Change that color to yellow as that is my handoff color. But don't want to rush into anything just yet. Just going to let price simmer down. I want to talk about, so Glenn and I went over stocks last night in our Discord. I believe the link is in our description on this video. So if you're interested, just go ahead and check it out. It's free. Let's see. Too many tabs open. Got to insert that image. Recent. There we go. 10 minutes now. Taking it slow. Had a nice morning already. Worked out. Got my workout in. Woke up at 3. Come March, the market open is going to be 3:30 for Hawaii. So got some things cooking up for you guys. Let's see. Let me get this link. There we go. Sorry, emails. Just clearing everything out. Got some exciting things, guys. Just clearing everything. So we got Bookmap. Where we at with Bookmap? MNQ also very bullish. MES very bullish. Probably just want to wait for news to come in. I'll see MES and MNQ are showing two different things, even though now MNQ is starting to track long or buy orders. Whoa. Oh, now the orders are coming in. Nice. Essentially, I'm just gonna wait for a pullback. Not trying to rush anything on a Friday. Very nice 15-minute. I mean, that's the biggest 15-minute move if we measure it. Let's see, we got it's a 43-point move. I don't know when the last time we had a 43-point move. Yesterday at 2 a.m. Is it 43? 30. See, so like, I mean, this is a big move. Right now, just want to be bullish. Not looking to short this market. So that 2-minute, got a nice boom. So essentially now I'll be just waiting for a little pullback to get in. Something along these lines right here. With a nice pullback and a solid safe stop loss there. But I want it more near the handoff VWAP than I wanted at its high. And again, this is the first breakout. So we want to wait for price to settle down. Let's see. Mag 7 finally bullish. Yesterday's VWAP, New York VWAP. Just, it'll probably break out of this range, but we'll see. Can it break out of this range? That just taking it slow, taking it slow. Okay, yeah, so Glenn and I were talking about stocks last night, but let's wait. We might be able to enter here. Yes. How deep does this pullback want to go? So we want to go here. Or does it want to reject here? I'm in Q in the same boat. Book map orders still bullish. We have a lot of buy orders still. 2,500 level, which is not too high. That could be a stop loss level. It is creating higher lows. All right, so I got MNQ on my second monitor here, aka my iPad. Not really a monitor, but I guess you could call it that. Did I get that link? Yeah, I did. Cool. Nice, nice, nice. We got 5 more minutes before the news comes in, and it is a red folder, so we could anticipate some high volatility movement. MNQ's already broken through VWAP. I want to wait for a solid 2-minute close though. Not like something like that is a no-go. If anything, it'll be a bull bias. Book map orders. A lot of buy orders were just taken off, probably waiting for news to settle down. If we want to go long, this would be the safest stop loss outside of range. MES, wait for MES to close below. This is a back into range play. This would be nice if we could get a strong close below. Got 4 minutes before news kicks in. Let's open up financial juice. we go. Because M and Q might be the play here. Let's see. All right, so Mag 7's below now. It's another one right here. Better risk reward. Now, if this 2-minute closes strongly, I want to be in this trade. I'm not looking too strong though, right? This looks more like I want to be long. How's Bookmap playing out? Strong orders at 25 still, so here we go. MES should be rejecting that candle nicely. Very nice. MNQ. Oh, I'm not even logged in. Oh, yeah. Yeah, right. Got that though. Are we logged in? We are. All right, cool. We are logged in there. We have, where's the 2-minute? Yeah, that was a nice 2-minute rejection close off of the New York VWAP. Still, 2 minutes before news comes in, might just tank it. But seeing that we're bullish here, as well as the Bookmap orders with a strong level at 25, maybe I want to be long. But I think this news might affect it big time, just because there's not many orders anywhere. Yeah. Still keeping an eye on this 2-minute. Now, if this 2-minute closes bearish, strong bearish momentum, I will cut this trade and I'll look for shorts, possibly on MES, just because if you look at MES, it hasn't broken the VWAP yet. It's still bullish. Thus, my reasoning why M and Q. I'm okay with taking M and Q long, but I'm also not gonna marry my bias. M and Q's bearish. I mean, Mag 7's bearish. Do need to put a stop loss here. I'm gonna sell it. That's weird, dude. Oh, there we go. Oh, whoa. Where are we at with the 2-minute? Yeah, this is news is at play right now. MES? Nope. MES is not short yet. Yeah, so whoa, buddy. So news seems like it's already kicked in. Yeah. So 57, forecast 55. Looks like it came out more positive, I would assume. Doesn't really matter. So news is done. Looks like we are in a bearish trend here. We'll go ahead and get out of this trade. I'm going to cut that. Market. This is a mid-range. Just wait for this 2 minute to close on the MES before we enter this market here. 400, 600. That's too much for me. Looks like MES now. We've got some orders around 680. Excuse me. MNQ could be creating a lower high. Just got to keep that in mind. That's why I want to wait for this VWAP. I want to make sure that if we go, we go. There we go. I'm in MES now. MES short. Looks like MNQ may go all the way. Okay. So mid-range fails. Whoa. Bullish. Ooh. All right. Nice 2 minute stop, huh? Gonna adjust my stop loss based off that 2 minute right there. So this is a back into range play. Very nice one, I might add. Now we have bearish orders, very strong ones too. 4K. Earlier this morning was around, it was a lot less. 24/7 looks like a level on M&Q, but before that we got 749, 750, which is about to 749, 749, 750. Yeah, I'll take this win because this is a very, very tight trade here, very scalpy. All right, didn't finish writing up bookmap orders. We're here. We're bullish. Restriction off. Anchor view up. So that is the first trade. We'll hide this guy. We'll quit. We'll do this. We'll copy the link and we'll put it in our notes. So this is a mid MES. No, M&Q. M&Q long. And we got 660 on 70. 70 is really bold right here. I think adjusting my time frame back down to the 2 minute or like going up 2 minute has really helped me mentally. Like this one, it's a nice, if it works out, this is a nice trade right here. A bit tight, yes, but at the same time, I think it's overall, it's pretty solid. Based off of structure and the VWAP and everything, we'll break this down. So this will be a more so of a back into range play. A little late for the entry. We're just gonna have to wait. This could be creating a higher low. I mean, we start more bull orders have been in play than short orders. AKA the bulls have been in control, buyers have been in control more than sellers have been in control. It's probably some fair value gap or some bullshit like that over there. Sorry, not some bullshit. Forgive me. Forgive me. It works. That's why. That's why I don't want to hate on it. It does work. Except we'll get a stop here. Oh, stopped on all trades. All right, so let's take a photo. Let's see what's happening. Now, do we have some bull orders, bullish buy or buying power here? The original entries. Oh. is late. 2-minute stop loss. Same with MES. So I'm out minus 400 today, 465 right now. See if we could scale back, gets a little bit of wins. Yeah, I mean, this is a nice play. My back into range plays have been a little wonky lately. I will say that. Chee, look at that. Right? Maybe too tight of a stop loss. So we got. That's good. Will it sustain? I believe it will. $68.69. Oops. There we go. So me keeping it tight, that 2-minute got taken out. Should have been here. So that was definitely the mistake I did. That's on me. But we learn from it. Stick to your guns. One trade, boom. This is the trade, right? Because that's going as well. Ideally, M&Q is the one I wanted to be in. I was long here. Should have flipped bias, but it's everything is so much easier to say in hindsight. So we'll go M&Q. No, this is a back into range. M&Q short. Mistake. Stayed out. Got to do those less and less. That's nice. It is creating lower highs. MES, strong sell order, 68.70. Got some orders coming on below us. Ooh, 50-minute is bullish. Did it start a new 50-minute? Hmm. I'm a little heavy in this position. And there's no news for the rest of the day. Oh, that's probably what part of a catalyst of the move downward. Nice rejection on the 1 minute. I mean, we got some nice solid rejection, but I think overall we're in a choppy market. Let's see what happens. Ooh, double bottom right there. Could be. Oh, this will be a back into range play. Number two. This was right here. All right. I mean, this is to me it's so choppy. I think it's gonna come back out, break out back into the upside. And the reason why I added into this position is because of the strong bearish action right here. Yep. So I'm out, full out, minus 950 on the day. Pretty choppy market conditions. Overall, is bullish. This is just creating a higher low. Yeah. 17 MNQ. Yeah, I mean MNQ looks nice now. Lower low. I mean lower high. Higher low. Higher low, lower high, whatever you want to call it. That's what that is. Looks like we might get a breakout here. So this would be a bounce play once price breaks out and goes up. There we go. Take a quick screenshot here. Back into range, MES, long. Oh, wait, first short. Yeah. Close that. I mean, Q looks nice for a long. Target to the top. This will be a bounce if it plays out. Okay. Yeah, we're done. We are done, Reed. We're done trading. What the heck is happening here? Minus 1100. So I'm out. I'm done. I'm not trading anymore. Full stop. We'll come back next week and we'll kill it. So that is that. That is that play. Looks like all orders from everywhere just got vanished. All longs are gone. I mean, that 2500. We're always going to have like a block of orders, it seems like, in one way. MES gone. Yeah, this is just chop market. Everyone's like, okay, hold up. I don't know what it wants to do. And then Q. I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. This is choppy. Looks like it could go up, but the way that I'm trading, I'm done. So this will be one more absolutely bad trade. As soon as I got in, it tanked, which is hilarious. The market will humble you that way. I was just looking at Target. All right, I'm done with that. We'll go ahead and refresh this guy. It's unfortunate. We'll be down like 600. 598, yeah. 0 wins. I haven't had one of those days in a long time. It is what it is. Choppy price action gets you every time. All right. Well, hope you guys enjoyed it. I will update this video title. And we'll hit it hard Monday, or at least on the next week, you know. We've got NFP next week, so we'll see some volatility. But other than that, have a good one. Shoo.